I wake up every morning with the sun in my eyes. I grab my hat and boots and head outside. I've got a lot of work to do on this land of mine, but I don't mind, 'cause it's the life I chose. I'm living on a farm where the grass is green, and the animals are like family to me. I'm living on a ranch where the sky is blue, and the horses run wild and free. I'm living on a farm, I'm living on a ranch. This is where I belong, this is my home. I spend my days tending to the crops and the fields. I fix the fences and the barns and the wheels. I've got some challenges and troubles along the way, but I don't care, 'cause it's the life I love. I'm living on a farm where the grass is green, and the animals are like family to me. I'm living on a ranch where the sky is blue. Oh, I spend my days tending to the crops and the fields. I fix the fences and the barns and the wheels. I've got some challenges and troubles along the way, but I don't care, 'cause it's the life I love. I'm living on a farm where the grass is green, and the animals are like family to me. I'm living on a ranch where the sky is blue. Oh, the horses run wild and free. I'm living on a farm, I'm living on the land, I'm living on the land.